Okay, so you have seen travel kettles, but have you seen one that actually folds flat? Wait until you see this one. You can use this for traveling, for camping, or even for personal use. Let's unbox this box now. Okay, so this tiny kettle promises full stainless steel and collapsible base, foldable handle, and it also fits in your bag. Let's see if it's that magical as it sounds. And these are the handles that are actually foldable, and a power cord and collapsible base, and this is entirely made of stainless steel. Look at this. The handle folds down, the base collapsible, and perfect for travel, dorms, or tiny kitchen. And yes, the inside is stainless steel, so no weird plastic taste or funky chemicals, just pure hot water instantly. And the size is like maximum capacity is 0.7 liters. So that's the base that actually collapses, and here it's how it's gonna put on its base, and that's how it's gonna collapse. And it actually the size of a little bit bigger than a mug. And here is the comparison. That's my mug for my coffee or something, and that's the size of this cup. And here is how you can put in your backpack. Consumed very small space and actually just disappeared in your regular sized backpack. So in my opinion, this one is very unique one. If you are living in camps or RVs going for travel, so this thing is amazing for travel purposes. So that's how we're gonna take the base out of it, and I'm just gonna put it on it, and we will try to put some water in it. And the inside says it's like food grade stainless steel, so material is so good, and I appreciate that material quality. And it's rated at 600 watts, not a super fast powerhouse, but perfect for a quick cup of tea or coffee. So I'm just gonna add in some water and put the lid on now. And here is the power cord, which we totally forgot about, and I'm just gonna put this inside here. Here is the thing that we're gonna put our plug like this. So now it's time to press the button. So I am just putting on to boil, and you can see the small indicator light, it turned to blue. Okay, so now while it's boiling the water, let's talk real. It's small, 0.7 liter, great for 1 or 2 cups, not for a full pot party, but the portability is insane. Foldable, lightweight, safe interior, and automatically shuts off, no boiling disaster. So it took me 3 minutes to boil the water. It's not the fastest kettle, but like only 600 watts, but look at it go, boiling in just a few minutes, perfect for tea, coffee, or even instant noodles. I'm just loving this just because it's foldable and collapsible. So look at this from inside, the water is already boiling. Look at this, how beautifully the water is boiling. And I put the water later to the full capacity to test the time limit, like how long it's gonna take to boil the water. So it took like full 3 minutes, and I am just super impressed. And there is one more feature. Once the water is fully boiling, you can put this button like this setting to heating, like only the heating. So it's gonna keep your water warm, and you don't have to boil that water again and again. So I'm just Gonna put this off and let's try to make our tea today. So let's take it out. And look at this. It just beautifully made my tea in few minutes. So would I take this kettle to my next trip? Absolutely. Want one for yourself? Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. More cool gadgets are coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.